it's me Amber, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be filming a spring/Easter makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I already did my eyebrows off camera with the Freedom brow pomade in dark brown, and I used the Morphe M158 brush. Today I'm going to start on my eyes, so I'm going to prime them with this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C3. So I'm going to put a little bit of that on there. And then I'm going to take this small blending sponge and blend that all over. Yesterday I bought the MUA Tropical Oceana palette and it looks like this. There are like so many colourful shades in it. And because it's like Eastery spring look, I think I'm going to use some of the oranges and maybe a few of the pinks. First, I'm going to go into the Sleek Au Natural 601 eyeshadow palette and just take this white shade right here and just basically set that concealer on my eyes. And I'm using the Morphe M200 brush to do this. In the Tropical Oceana palette, I'm going to use this first shade here, which is called Reef. I'm going to use that as my transition colour. So taking the same Morphe brush. Don't really think this is going to do much, but we'll see. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Shell. And I'm just going to run that through the crease. Into this shade right here, which is called Shellfish. I'm taking that on this number 7 brush and we are just going to pack that into the outer corner. Now I'm going to blend it a tiny bit into the pink. I'm going into the Zoeva Caramel Melange palette and I'm going to take this shade right here called Aftertaste, and it kind of looks a bit more red in the palette, but on like when you swatch it's more of like an orangey red. So I'm going to take that on the number 7 brush and pack a little bit of this into the center of my lid. I wasn't really sure what type of look I was going to film today, so I thought if I put on like a plain top I could do like anything because it'd just match. So yeah, I'm going to do this on both eyes. I'm not going to blend this out yet because I'm going to use another shade to do that. Going back into Shell, I'm going to take that and blend these shades together. I dipped back into the orange shade and just added a bit more of that because I feel like they're not as pigmented. I mean, they're pigmented, but they're more like pastel-y colours, if you know what I'm saying. Also, I'm looking over here a lot because my mirror is there. This is what we've got so far, and I'm kind of wanting to like half cut the crease or something like that. So I'm going to take the L'Oreal True Match Concealer in the shade 1N and just put a little bit of that on the back of my hand. I'm going to take this brush, which I think is just off Amazon, and it's just like small and it's easy to do stuff like this. And I'm going to put the concealer at the front of my lid and then not put it all the way back because we still want to have this shade. And then because we're going to like half cut it, I saw this on someone's like YouTube, and you just like roll your eyes and look up and then it like creates a line here that you can just use. I'm going to go do that off camera on my other eye. Same brush. I'm just going to get some white eyeshadow. I'm I'm using the one from the Veleza palette, which is called Wax Paper. I'm just gonna put that where I put the concealer. I feel by applying the white eyeshadow on top, it makes it a lot softer, and it might make it a bit easier to apply the shade that I'm going to do next. Guys, I'm kind of stuck. I don't know if I want to use this shade up here, this orangey one called Paradise, or this light pink one called Joy. Both so cute. Oh, I can't decide. I'm going to take this little brush by Lottie London, and I'm going to take Joy, which is this shimmery one right here, and I'm going to take this one because I feel like the orange might make it a bit dark, and because it's like spring and Easter, it's more lighter. So I'm going to just pack that on where I put the concealer. I'm swapping brushes. I'm going to use this other one by Lottie London, but this is like a flat one, so I think it might work a bit better. Yeah, that's working a lot better than the brush did. This is what the eyeshadow is looking like so far. Now I'm just needing to blend the two shades together. For that, I'm going to take the Morphe brush again, and I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here that we used earlier, and just lightly blend them together. That is the eyeshadow done. I don't want to do liner. I did get some lashes yesterday, and they're these ones. And I kind of bought some like cheapish ones because I've never actually used them before, but I tried to put them on yesterday and it wasn't working, so I'm gonna get my sister to help me do that. So I probably won't use these in this video because she's currently not here. Yeah, but I just got some dramatic ones and some natural ones. Because of that, I'm going to curl my lashes and then use the Soap & Glory Thick and Fast Mascara. So I already moisturised today. I used this No. 7 Protect and Perfect Day Cream. So now I'm going to prime. I'm going to use this One Heck of a Blot primer by Soap & Glory. It looks like this. I'm going to take a little bit of that. And then put it all over my face. Today I'm not going to use foundation because I feel like my skin's actually quite good today. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer again. I'm just going to dot this under my eyes and then put some on my chin and over here. Do a little bit on the forehead and my nose. Then I'm going to blend this in with this damp blending sponge. I'm going to set my face with a little bit of this MUA translucent powder, and I'm going to take that on this big fluffy No. 7 brush. So I have a love-hate relationship with this powder. When I bake with it, it doesn't turn out good. But if I like just get a little bit and powder it, it's really good at mattifying, and I feel like it's just nice if you use a little bit, but if you use too much, it doesn't work right on my skin. Oh my god, it just gets everywhere. Oh my god, I struck a huge chunk on the floor. Oh my god. It's so powdery. For bronzer slash like contour, take this shade out of the Sleek Face Form Contouring and Blush palette. I'm going to take the Eco Tools like powder brush, and runs up my cheeks and forehead. Now we're all bronzed. I might have put a bit too much on, but it's okay. I'm going to take this Flattery Box by Soap and Glory. I always forget I have this because I keep it in my wardrobe. But it comes with all of these products, and I already had these, so I'm just saving these until I run out. But it has this really nice blush in, if I can get it to focus. And it comes with a brush, so I feel like I'm just going to use this brush. I'm going to try find the shade if it says it. I'm kind of confused. I thought this was a blush, but it says here, Glow All Out Luminizing Highlighting Powder. I guess we're not going to use that for blush. I'll try that as a highlighter, but I thought it was a blush. So I'm going to take this number 7 blush in Soft Dancing. I'm going to use this brush. I don't even know what it is. Number 7. These aren't even my makeup. This is Lauren's, but I really wanted to use it because it's so pretty. Such a pale pink, and I feel like it goes nice with the eye. And just put this on my cheeks. That Soap and Glory one is right here. Oh, my nail polish. And it's like a pinky highlight. So I might do that on my inner corner because I really want to use another highlighter to highlight with. So I just took some on the Lottie London brush. I'm going to just dab it right here. Also just highlighting my brow bone with it. It's actually a really pretty highlighter. To highlight my cheekbones, my nose and my cupid's bow, I'm going to take the MUA Undress Your Skin highlighter in Pink Shimmer. Looks like that. It's really pretty.
I literally love highlighters.
This lighting is so bad. Like, I have to keep closing my curtains more and more because the sun, it's just making my face go white and like nothing's focusing. So yeah, which is really annoying. I'm going to spritz my face with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Amazing Makeup Fixing Spray. I bought this yesterday. It was only £5 and I've used it once. So let's go. Woo. And then just let it dry. I think I might apply a bit more highlighter as well. For my lips, I'm going to take this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cans, and I'm going to apply this. This is the final look. So thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. Make sure to comment down below what makeup looks you want to see me do in the future, and I'll see you on Sunday with a new video. Bye!